Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Jenkins job configurations and build history, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To backup Jenkins job configurations and build history, first, ensure you have access to the Jenkins server. Log into your Jenkins instance with administrative privileges. Navigate to the main dashboard. Locate the Manage Jenkins option on the left sidebar. Click on Manage Jenkins to open the management settings. From the management settings, click on System Configuration. Here, find the option labeled Jenkins Home to determine where your Jenkins. The default location is usually /var/lib/Jenkins on Linux systems or c:\program data\Jenkins . Open your system's File Explorer or terminal to access the Jenkins Home directory. Inside the Jenkins Home directory, look for the Jobs folder. This folder contains all job configurations. The configuration files for each job are stored in individual subfolders. Each job folder includes a file named config.xml. To back up the job configurations, copy the entire jobs folder. You can paste it into a secure backup location, such as an external hard drive or cloud storage. Next, to back up the build history, go back to the Jenkins Home directory. In addition to the jobs folder, make sure to back up the builds directory. This folder tracks all build artifacts and history for each job. To create a complete backup, consider compressing the entire Jenkins Home directory. You can use tools like tar on Linux or built-in zip functionalities on Windows. Once compressed, store the backup file in a secure and reliable location. To restore the configurations, simply copy the backup files back into the appropriate directories in your Jenkins Home. Restart Jenkins to apply any changes. This ensures that your job configurations and build history are safely backed up and can be restored whenever necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.